Taylor here, She's in Hollywood today, and I'm going to jump straight into it. We've got these brand new shoes come in today, so lucky me, I get to reveal them. These are the Hex-709, and these are the Pewter Golds. These are so cool. These ones have these amazing skulls on the back. These would be awesome for any girls that are gothic or love to just have skulls or dress in skulls. I think they're definitely a statement shoe. These are in a 7-inch. They also have this really cool, like, rippled effect on the front here. It's really nice. It gives it a bit of texture. Right, let's try these on. Oh wow, so easy to get into. These feel really comfortable and so soft on the feet. Super comfortable shoes, really comfy. These are so soft to walk in. Look how awesome those skulls look. These are definitely going to be my go-to Halloween shoe from now on. There we are. These are honestly such a comfortable shoe to wear. I'm so surprised at just how good they feel on your feet, even though they are a 7-inch. They're so soft. Feels like you're walking on clouds. Alright guys, I'm going to give you one last look close up with these amazing skull shoes. They're so awesome. They're just definitely a statement piece. They've got a really thick heel. They're super comfortable. They have that grip on the bottom, which Pleaser does do. I feel like a lot of other shoe brands, they're a bit more slippy to walk in, whereas these are really grippy. You're not going to fall over in them, which is what you want, especially for a platform heel. Alright guys, that's it. See you next time. Bye.